Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 95. We will continue in the expression book where we left. We're in the middle of lesson number 2. So we have here التدريب السادس للمحادثة. So we have here some questions that we have to answer, and we will answer them and we will write them. The first question is أين تتعلم? So where do you study? You would say أتعلم في الجامعة وأتعلم في الشعبة. Wherever you study, أتعلم في, you can say الشعبة. I study in the شعبة اللغة العربية. You can write also. كم فصلا في الشعبة? How many classrooms are in the شعبة, the place where the division or the department where the Arabic language is taught. You could say في الشعبة تسع 9 فصول 9 classrooms. فصلا كم فصلا means you have كم, it would be فصلا, right? كم فصلا كم كتابا كم قلما, how many? You answer, remember the number rule we have from 3 to 9. تسع فصول. Okay, all right. Man yudarrisuka al-Quran? Who teaches you the Quran? Say yudarrisuni. Yudarrisuni al-Qur'ana. And say Shaykh, whoever your teacher is, Shaykhu Bilal, for example, you can say Shaykhu Bilalin. Mata tadhabu ila shoba? When do you go to the shoba? You could say adhabu ila shobati in the morning. You can say sabahan, in the morning. Limada tadhabu ila shoba? Why do you go to the shoba? Very good questions. You can say adhabu ila shobati li adrusa. You can say li adrusa, to study. Hal tuhibbul shoba? Do you love the shoba? You can say naam. Uhibbu ha, I love it. So ha is the pronoun that refers to the shoba because it is feminine. Mata yarinnul jaras? Yarinnul jaras, when does the bell ring? Yarinnu, rings the bell, al jaras. So you could say yarinnu al jarasu, say qabla salatil dhuhri. The bell rings before the dhuhr salah. Masmu zamilika alladhi yajlisu bijanibika? Beautiful question. What is the name of the classmate, your classmate, who sits besides you. So alladhi yajlisu, who sits bijanibika, besides you. You can say the whole thing, you should write the whole thing. Ismu zamili, right? Ismu zamili, my classmate. Alladhi, very good practice of many grammar rules. This is ismul mawsula. Alladhi yajlisu bi jani bi, bijani bi, besides me, right? Bijani bi. You could say, for example, Khalid, or whoever your classmate is who sits beside you. You can tell his name, write his name or her name. If you do her, then the verbs and other things will change, but let's do a male name for ease. Ad-dirasatu fi shoba, the lesson in the shoba. Al-hiwar al-thani, second conversation. Rashid is saying, Mata tadhabu ila shoba, when do you go to the shoba? Muhammad is replying, Adhabu ilayha, I go to it. Ilayha, referring to the shoba. Fi sabi'ati, sabahan, at 7 in the morning. Fi sabi'ati, sabahan. Rashid, wa mata ta'udu ilal mahja'i, and when do you return? Ta'udu, to the dorm. Muhammad is saying, A'udu fil wahidati dhuhran, I return at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, dhuhran. Rashid, Mada tadrusu fi shobati, what do you study in the shoba? Muhammad is replying, Adrusu al-lughat al-arabiyyata. So adrusu maf'ulun bihi, lughat al-arabiyyata, object of the verb, wal Qur'an al-karima, and the Quran, wal hadith al-sharifa, and the noble hadith. So al-Quran al-karim, noble Quran, hadith al-sharif, also honorable noble hadith. Rashid, kam yawman tadrusu fil usbu, how many days? Kam yawman, remember when kam comes, there's going to be fatha here. Kam yawman tadrusu fil usbu, how many days do you study in the week? Muhammad is saying, Adrusu fil usbu'i khamsata ayyamin, I study in the week 5 days. Rashid, wa kam hissatan tadrusu fil yawman, how many periods do you study in the week? Muhammad is saying, Adrusu fil yawmi khamsa hissasin. So just want to show you something here. Hissa is female, that's why it is going to be khamsa. And before we did here, I think I made a mistake here, let me correct it. Here, it should be tis'atu fusulin, right? Tis'atu fusulin, not tis'u, because faslun is male. Should be tis'atu fusulin. Fi shobati tis'atu fusulin, because this is a male and we would have the opposite, the female number, female form of the number, tis'atu fusulin. And here we have al-hissa, which is a female in the singular form. So we would use khamsa, right? Khamsa hissasin. Adrusu fi yawm khamsa hissasin. Here we have khamsa because adrusu, this is adrusu khamsa, I study 5. This is maf'ulun bihi, object of the verb. Whereas here in this one we said adhabu, or here it says fi shu'bati, in the department, tis'atu, this is going to be marfu fusulin, tis'atu fusulin. This is not maf'ulun bihi, this is not object of the verb. Okay, so this brings us to a point where we can stop. You should write these sentences and say them out loud. They're very good conversational questions and answers. They're going to improve your Arabic conversation, inshallah. And by now, I think, the small mistakes that I make here and there, you're able to catch them by yourself, inshallah. And whenever I catch them, I will correct them in the following lesson or even in the middle of the lesson, inshallah, instead of recording the whole lesson. So we'll end here, inshallah. Practice saying these sentences and writing them. And may Allah make matters easy for all of us. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, wa ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.